Hello, everyone. All right, I'm going to welcome Excel AI, which is an initiative really to spread the word around AI education, industrial, commercial applications, as well as defense. The idea here is to have small vignettes of 3 to 5 minutes, building upon each other and allow the user to kind of navigate where they want to on certain topics, information, as we look into future applications, building into AUSA, which is coming up right around the corner. So with that, I will begin sharing my screen and kind of go over to some history. And this one is going to be specifically around offset or teaming of drones. So first off, I have these attachments. I'm going to share the link, but how I got started was really through with AI in general was implications for business strategies. One of the assignments in a 6-week course was actually around robotic applications. So in this paper, you'll see I talked about thermal imaging, land rover, air drone systems specific to industrial applications. But you can see over time, I've actually had a lot of applications to apply this in the defense world as well. So while at Teledyne FLIR, I actually had a chance to work on Move 360 with Clinton Wiegert and team to put explosive detection and chemical detection system on the Spot robot. This is kind of building off the MIT short course where I talked about quads and robotic systems doing inspections. So you can imagine with AI one day, you can autonomously go around a certain area, navigate anywhere in a known environment or non-known environment. What's really cool is this is just a chemical sensor, but I actually, in between jobs, between FLIR and the next opportunity, had a chance to combine the Fluke sensor here with 64 microphone array and actually get acoustic imaging on the Boston Dynamics Spy robot as well. So Bart Moyen, Beck, and I kind of kicked off that project. They took it on and actually commercialized. So that's out on the market today as well. But really, this all builds into teaming applications. So we're going to go into offset. You'll see my screen here, and we'll go ahead and enlarge. So these drones and this DARPA's challenge is offset, where you basically have autonomous systems navigating and doing certain mission sets in an urban environment. You can see these robotic systems are probably connected to some combined system so that the drones will not hit each other, complete their tasks. What's cool about teaming is human plus drones can actually go into a situation and do swarm tactics, but it doesn't matter if one system's removed from the equation, the mission should still be optimally maximized to complete a certain task. So, for instance, say you're scanning this environment, detecting people, the drones will optimize that path and planning to do so accordingly, allow for human loop interaction, simulation, that kind of stuff to navigate and complete the mission, whether it's scanning for people, doing a 3D map in that environment, but you have all your robotic systems combined to do a certain task. So check out Offset on your own time. But what's really cool is there's lots of cool applications in that space. Object detection, as well as all the swarming and AI capabilities around AI agents, will help improve this capability over time. So, real question is, how do we get to a point where human plus machine teaming is safe, as well as provided a better performance example or experience? What that means ultimately is having the ability to um, detect like a time to complete a mission or time to complete a certain effect, and measuring and making sure that the risks are proportional to the deployed systems with humans in the loop to help aid and take over when possible. So I'll stop this video on the share now, but you can see a lot of applications in this space. Next, we'll actually go into a environment where we're looking at possible simulations and live virtual construction in order to fast track the development for this space. Appreciate the time. Thank you.